but imagine the first person that drank milk.
Well, it was not very good.
It was also
One
warm.
or the other.
And now we have this science that says drinking cow cum is good. That's really weird, bro.
What? It is not the cum.
Like,
Here,
really,
I passed out 16 times, but here's your glass of milk.
Stop talking to me, Logan.
Are you just scraping along the ground? That is not walking. Wow.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it, okay? Don't say I won't do it.
Oh my god, he's all the way up there.
Don't say I won't do it, okay? Don't try and talk me out of it either.
Don't jump, Chris. You have so much to live for.
No.
Are you videoing?
No.
Logan, are you
I'm so
videoing?
tired of this. Nobody ever wants to hang out with me.
You're right, you're gross.
I can hardly hear you guys.
Don't shower, Chris. You don't shower. No wonder no one's hanging out
I
with
don't
you.
shower.
You smell that constantly.
Oh, no, I'm done.
You killed him.
You killed him.
I didn't do shit. I was just filming.
What a loser, dude. Imagine killing yourself.
Where did he go?
Don't try and talk me out of this, okay?
He's up there again.
Wait, how are you back?
I don't want to hear it, okay? I've thought about this long and hard,
You haven't done anything.
and it's what I need to do.
Oh, my God.
Oh, there he goes. Oh my god, he's dead. Oh, he's fine.
Chapitre. Okay. So guys, welcome to today's scary stream. Today, we're going to be looking at your mom. Alright team, we got Logan, Chris, and myself.
No, that's enough of that. That's enough of that. I don't know why, but I always think this says not all sluts are inside.
No, oh, I thought you launched it without him.
Alright. Another day making content.
Whoa. Another day, no dollar. Is that what I have to say? It's big folks.
I see red. Jesus. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
Oh,
Oh,
he fell over.
he's... Oh my god!
get Logan's camera. Get Logan's camera.
I almost died. I have like a sliver. Gun dog. Gun dog.
Let's leave.
Oh my
We got
god.
something scary. We got 2 more days.
I'm dead.
Team?
He left you, Chris.
Oh, you're dead.
Yes.
Hello?
Very, very dead.
Oh, no, wrong button.
Hello? Anybody there?
Hey, team.
Hey!
Wait,
Hey!
what?
Hey!
Hey, Chris.
You left me. You left me.
Let's go.
We need to make money.
Oh, we need to make money? Oh, you're right. Let's make some money, dog. All right, team. So today we're making money. Also, Chris totally just died behind me. But we're not worried about that.
I'm right here, asshole.
Oh, Chris is right here, assholes. Crazy, bro. So not gonna lie, I only have 5% film left. Let's go.
Oh my god.
That's crazy how. Yeah. All right, team. So today didn't go that well, but Logan has died every day, so we can know. Oh. There's no film left.
I really liked your outro that got cut off because you ran out of film.
Alright, let's see what you fuckers got.
Oh, Blender Boy!
What the fuck is that?
Oh, he fell over.
Oh,
He stood up. Gun dog.
Let's leave.
gun dog.
Let's leave.
Oh my
We got
god.
something scary. We got 2 more days. I wish I also had friends. I got the camera. Let's go. Oh, I'm the only one alive. I didn't know you were alive, Chris. No, my stamina. Really? Right now? Come on, recharge. Oh, I hear the thudding behind
Why
me.
are you recording?
Oh, I'm so fucked. I didn't know it was still recording, see? Oh, no, wrong button. Wrong.
Did you throw the camera?
Yeah. Hey, team. So today, Logan just died. Wait, what? Hey. Oh, Chris, something's chasing you. Let's go.
We need to make money.
Oh, we need to make money? Oh, you're right. Let's make some money, dog. Alright, team, so today we're making money. Also, Chris totally just died behind me. But we're not worrying about that. Hey, Chris, what's up today?
Here, asshole.
Oh, Chris is right here, assholes. Crazy, bro. And that's a snail monster.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ. So today didn't go that well, but Logan has died every day, so we can know...
My fucking god.
That was so stupid.
We got 1,000 views.
Oh my god. So stupid.
Please replay it.
Oh my god. Boom, Mike.
The mic? Let's do... Yeah, I like
No,
the mic.
we don't need a fucking boom mic. We need something to spice up the video.
Okay, you're right. Somebody buy a gun. How to dance.
dance.
103.
Oh,
Wait.
so you can dance?
I don't know. Hold on, let me go to controls.
Having the time of your life? Oh my god. T.
T.
I can't
can't
dance. Is it only one person can dance?
Is that it? Is that the only thing we bought? You can buy this.
Yeah.
Yeah, we spent $150 on that.
Let's get a good intro. Okay, wait. Logan, get like right here. Alright, so today, team, we're gonna be naming on all the monsters. Nay. Alright, let's go.
And, amazing.
Totally not staged. We have a skull.
Skull, what's up guys? Today we are in the underground section of the Great Wall of China and we have fun. Found a skull from the Han Dynasty.
The Han Dynasty.
That's it.
Okay.
That's all I got. Wait, what if I throw the skull at the laser?
I don't know.
Oh shit!
Oh shit. What the fuck is that?
Oh my god. Hey, can we worry about that? Hey Logan, I think Chris is dead. We should leave this room though.
Help!
You good?
He's still coming.
We gotta go.
Camera's out. Oh god, he is.
We're good.
We're good?
Does he not leave the submerged area?
Maybe he doesn't.
Submerged. No vibes.
I hear stuff.
Oh, he's right there. He's right
Oh
here.
my
He's
god.
right here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm at the bottom. I'm at the bottom. Oh, he's dead. Oh, he's dead. He's so dead. That's
Luke was like, "Oh, it's
crazy.
fine." You die.
Uh-oh. Die.
No, I was gonna. Wait, no, I got an idea. Wait, let me type.
Yes. Hey, wait a minute.
Fancy seeing you here.
Hey, yo.
Let's go, guys.
Time to go. Ow.
Okay, wait. Staged intro. Hold on, come back.
Alright, here we go. Oh my god, a skull. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh god! I'm up here now, you guys. This is going great for me. Oh god.
Hey, it's still chasing you. Whoa, guys, a scary thing just got found. Let's leave. Chris, you good?
Oh, I was muted that whole time. That's crazy. All right, here we go. Time to go, guys. It was nice.
Nope, he's dead.
Alright, let's see what we
Are we gonna have silent video for a lot of it?
Probably. I was talking. I was monologuing. Luke left me. Oh yeah, it's completely silent.
Just kind of the scenery and then also the dubbing though.
Just staring at us.
Crazy.
Let's go, guys. You just splat. Alright, guys, so today we're looking. Oh my god! No, don't help him. Help me. He's dead. I was totally expecting that.
Don't help him help me, which is so hard. Just silence looking at me.
I was like, we found a rib cage. I don't think that it's his rib cage, but we did find one.
It just cuts to his mouth. He's standing there.
And then he snuck up behind me, and it freaked me out so bad.
What the fuck?
Hey, so everything just got found. Chris, you good? I don't think the snail boy.
All right, here we go. Time to go, guys. It was nice.
I love that's the end of the video. You start talking and that's it.
All right, we have $100.
We don't need party poppers.
We can buy 2 party poppers and a sound player.
All right, that works. Oh my god.
Wait. Why does this have color right here? You guys see this?
Blood.
Whee!
Give us a stinger, Chris.
What?
A stinger. No, not that.
So
There's something on the ground over there.
what's over there? Hold on, there's a thing. Hold on, hold that.
Ah, the French.
Whoa.
It's a skull! Guys, do you see this? Oh my god! Anyways, Jack Doherty here. Today we're going to be looking at human skeletons. So basically, what we're going to be talking about today is fuck that guy. You guys don't know who Jack Doherty is, do you?
Oh.
Where'd he go?
I'm still here. I'm still in it. I can't get out. I got out. It didn't actually do any health. It didn't do any health. It is just fast.
No, let's go this way. What do you mean? What are you guys doing? Hold on, what's that? Oh, no way! Happy birthday, Chris. In fact, Logan, film this. Happy birthday, Chris.
Wow. Amazing.
Oh my god.
Bless you. Give us a sound to sum it all up, Chris.
A sound to sum it all up?
Tell me before you're gonna do it, and I'll start recording again.
Hold on. Alright. You ready?
All right, 3, 2, 1, action.
And that was our adventure.
It's okay. He'll make it back. Chris, where'd you go, Chris?
I'm free.
There you are. You make it back?
I'm alive.
That was so well timed.
Where did he come from?
I don't know.
Hey, look, over there.
Whoa.
Good dog.
Yeah, that's the noise. You're so sneezy. Give us a stinger, Chris.
What?
A stinger. No.
Hey guys, we're gonna go into here. Oh, it's locked. Oh no, a femur. Oh no, what are we gonna do with this femur? Oh,
Car
God.
crash sound.
Hold on, there's a thing. Hold on, hold that. Ah!
Whoa.
This is cold. Guys, do you see this? Oh my god. Today is...
Wow, Preezy is very loud. That's so accurate. Camera.
Camera.
Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, it's coming! It's coming!
Wait a minute, is he dead?
Wait, I see him.
Any help? It didn't do any help. It was just.
Is that alien?
Wow.
Right behind us. Oh, never mind. We're leaving.
Oh shit!
We're
Oh
leaving.
shit!
Never
Oh
mind.
shit! Give us a sound to sum it all up, Chris. Action.
And that was our adventure.
Should we get back? Time to head back. Whoa! What is that?
1 point.
Yeah.
We have 2K views.
2K
We just need
views.
1,000 view video.
We could do it. We could do it.